And welcome back to the Word Conscious Classroom, where we are consciously and deliberately building our students' vocabulary knowledge and word consciousness. Today, we are working with the prefix in, ear, and re. The roots nav and voc, voce, and the suffixes able, ate, ation, furus, is, ellis, and lt. Now this looks like the word ice, but this is actually a word part, so that is not coming out as ice. We'll talk about that when we get to the suffixes. Okay, so the prefix in stands for into, in, and not. And that is the same for the prefix ill, which means in, into, not. Ill and in and ear are all directional prefixes, in, into, and not. And they are all sister prefixes because they change depending upon the root that follows. Okay, so we have in, ear, same meaning, and the prefix re, which means again or back. Okay, so these are directional prefixes, and this one is a dual prefix. This one is a multi-prefix. We have the root nav, which means new, nav. And we have the root voc and voce, or let's see, it's coming out as voci, so that means voice or call. So voc or voci, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And then we have the suffixes able, which means able to be, ate, which means to make, to act, one who, that which, ation, which means an action or process. We have furus, which means producing. And then we have is, which means one who or that which. So the I is coming out short. The E is silent, but it's not making the I long. We have ellist. L is serving as the connector to the root. So ellist, and that is one who, because ist is still the main part of the suffix. And lt, L again, serving as the connector. And it stands for state, quality, or that which. Okay, let's make some words. Let's make renovate. We have ren, no, eight. Renovate. So renovate is to make new, to make new again. So when you renovate, to make new again. Renovate. So if you ever hear your parents talking about needing to renovate, they want to make it new again. Let's do vociferous. So this is voci, vociferous. Ooh, vociferous. Vociferous is producing your voice or calling. And here it is loud and noisy. So vociferous is when a lot of people are producing their voices, such as in a crowd or a stadium, and it's loud and noisy, vociferous. Let's try innovation. So we have in, no, let's put it over here. Innovation. Here we go. Vation. Innovation. So that is an action or process of bringing in something new. That makes sense. An action or process of bringing in something new. Innovation. See, the more you work with prefixes, roots, and suffixes, the more you become a word detective, and you can really figure out what these words mean. Now it's time for me to give you a definition, and let's see if we can build the words. Let's do a person who is new to an activity or a beginner. A person who is new to an activity or beginner. So we need one who, so that would be one who, ist. And we also have is, one who or that which. So let's see which one would make sense. Let's do novelist. One who is new, but in this case, a novelist is one who writes new stories. So that is not the best suffix. But if we're just looking at one who, that went here, one who or that which is new, then that is a novice. So a novice is a new, a beginner or someone new to a process. They say here a novice is a person who is new to an activity. Novice. Okay, let's put that here. Let's do another definition. How about one who writes novels? Oh, we just did that one. So let's skip that one. How about newness or something that's original? So here we have new again, but something that's original would be a state or quality. So the quality of it is a novelty. So novelty is something new and original. Wow. Let's see if we can do one more. And let's do irrevocable. So I told you the word, and that means not subject to reversal. So we have our ear here, oh, now we have two prefixes. Vocable. Okay, irrevocable. And that is able to be voiced or called back not. So not able to be voiced or called back. Irrevocable. Meaning once you put it out there, it is irrevocable. It is not able to be taken back. Wow. And now you see some words have two prefixes. We've also seen that some words have two suffixes, and we've also seen that some words have two roots. English is amazing, and the more you work at it, the more you learn. You are becoming a morphemist, and that's one who studies word parts and their meanings. So join me in the next video where we're going to learn more word parts and more meanings.